Today's lesson is lesson 109, adding three-digit numbers and money amounts and estimating sums. Here I have 168 pennies and 225 pennies. How many pennies do you think we have altogether? Well, if I look, 168 and 225 are both close to the number 200. So if I did 200 plus 200, I'd end up with 400. So I should have about 400 pennies. Okay, so let's see if I'm right by adding up 168 plus 225. So we add first the 8 and the 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. And then remember, you carry the 1. Then we add up the tens column. So the 1, the 2, 6, and the 2. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So there are 9 in the tens place. Now we will add the digits in the hundreds column, which is a 1 and a 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 hundreds. So my answer is I have 393 pennies, which is really close to my estimate of 400. Now, if I wanted to write how much money 393 pennies in, as I could add a decimal and a dollar sign. Okay, so 393 pennies is the same as $3.93. If I wanted to add them up, add up the money using dollar signs, it would look like this. 168 pennies is the same as $1.68, and 225 pennies is the same as $2.25. So let's add this up quick and see if we got the same answer. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 2 is 9. Okay, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. And remember, that decimal point comes straight down. Okay, and then I put my dollar sign. So I got the same answer both times. Now let's pretend that I have 452 pennies in one bag and 273 pennies in another bag. How many pennies do you think we'll have altogether? Well, 452 is close to 400, or you could even say 500, and 273 is close to 300. So I should have around 700 pennies. Okay, let's see if it's correct. So we need to add up the amount. First we add up the ones place. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we move on to the tens place. What is 5 tens plus 7 tens? That equals 12 tens. So I put the 2 below the tens column and the 1 above the hundreds column. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 hundreds. So I have 725 pennies. Again, if I wanted to make that into money with a dollar sign, I put my decimal right after that whole number and a dollar sign. Okay, I can also start off with the amounts with dollar signs, and let's try adding those up. So again, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Put the 2 down and carry the 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Decimal point goes straight down. And I add my dollar sign. All right, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.